Now we are going to discuss regarding how to check the data flow status. Go to www.dataflowstatus.com. Then in that you can type the data flow case number. Data flow case number will be shared to your email once you done the payment for the data flow. So you can type that data flow case number here and the passport number. Then you can click on the check status. So once you click on the check status, you can see the data flow status page. Your name, data flow ID, case number, everything will be there, and your passport number, and that will show that it is in progress or it is completed. Like that, it will show there. Okay, and the cross check status, it will show completed like that. So if they need any documents, they will show that missing information, and the case status, they will show that it is working on your case like that. And if the report is completed, the case outcome, it will come as a green, and they will show that the report is completed, and you can download the report like that. Like this, we have to check the status.